I saved 10,000 euros last year just by doing one simple, stupid saving strategy, and I want to share that strategy with you. I think that saving money, people think that you have to do some awesome things to save money, but actually there are some small strategies that you can put in place and you can save as much money as you want. Actually, people really don't understand that saving money is just a strategy. So I saved 10,000 euros last year, just by doing this simple thing, and that thing was really strategic. And the thing is this that I'm going to share with you. Actually, I'm going to call it is a lazy way to save 10,000 euros. That's how I call it. Now let's get into it. Saving 10,000 euros is not a big deal, of course, but it's just like, they say the first 10,000 euros always makes a difference. But in this one, I'm going to say that this one was a really lazy strategy. And what I did was that I just took 365 days divided by 10,000, and it gave me 27 euros and 40 cents. And it was so easy for me to do that because I just took 27 euros 70 cents divided by times. If you take 27 euros 40 cents times 365 days, is going to give you 10,000 euros and that was a magic figure. And that one is just like I said, it was a small strategy that I'm thinking. So that 10,000 euros is just, when you take that 27 euros 40 cents times 365 days, is going to give you that amount, that magic amount, which I call 10,000 euros. And then when you take that money, you just simply every day, so it means that every day I was saving 27 euros 40 cents in my passive savings account, right? So what I did was so simple and so strategic. So they always say that automate the process. Automating simply means you just put the process to automate. That means that you are just every day the money comes out of your other account to the savings account that you are trying to save the money inside. So, and this makes it so easy because when you automate the process, everything becomes so easy. You don't have to think if you would save money or you make the 27 euros savings every day or not. And this is very vital because if you are trying to save money, sometimes you thinking if I'm going to save today, or you thinking you might not be able to save today or not, makes it difficult for you to save that money. So what I just made it automated process. So that's why I'm going to talk in my other videos about automating your savings. Automating savings means that you just make the process automatic in such a way that you don't have to think about it. And this is a great way and a big strategy to save money, because sometimes when you think of the whole process of you taking the money from one account to another, you might start lagging behind. But once you make the process automated, you don't have the freedom to choose if you are going to save or not. So that way I just did that thing, and I connected my one bank account to the other bank account, and then I just automated the process. So every day 27 euros 40 cents was saving from my main account to that savings account. And when after a couple of months I saw that the money was going, and then the next thing I did was that I just simply transferred the money from that account to my high yield savings account. High yield savings account is just an account whereby you have it has high interest rate. So with that high interest rate, my money that is saved in that account gives me high yield interest of about 2.2%. I have 2.2% interest in that money. So that's how it goes, and I just kept doing like that. And after a couple of months, I was keep transferring the money from the savings account that I created to the other high yield account that I had. And by the end of 6-7 months, I already had something like 8,000 euros, because the high yield account was already created, giving me lots and lots of interest. And with that, it was so easy to save 10,000, even above 10,000 euros by doing this lazy strategy. And this strategy is, I think, is very important, because most of us will find it difficult to save money. And saving money is actually not a problem to many people, but the problem is that they don't understand how to do. How to save money is very strategic. So this is one of the best processes I've seen, a lazy way to save 10,000 euros. That 10,000 euros, 10,000 pounds, $10,000, anything that you want to save in a year. So for example, now let's say I'm targeting to save 20,000 euros in a year. I will simply just take 20,000 euros divided by 365 days, and then I try to save that amount daily. And then after that, I'm going to make the process automated, because automating the process means that it removes that guilt, that aspect that, hey, am I going to do this thing today? By the way, we have a really beautiful weather today. It's everywhere is green and looks so fresh, and outside also it looks yummy. This is my street walking back home, but here, so automating the process is so nice, because when you automate the process, you remove that that feeling of I'm going to invest today, I'm going to save today or not. And by the way, I have created several videos on financial mistakes I made in my 20s and in my 30s, and 20s, that I hope that you can go and watch those videos as well. But yeah, this is a very lazy way to save 10,000 euros. I don't know what you think. Leave a comment in the comment section telling me what other lazy ways of saving money that you have figured out and that is working for you. This one has worked for me and is still working for me. So this year, if I'm targeting 30,000, I just simply do that strategy that I told you. Yeah, I just wanted to share with you this lazy strategy, and I hope it helps somebody save 10,000 euros or $10,000 or 10,000 pounds within the shortest period of time. So guys, please let me know in the comment section if this lazy strategy was helpful and if it's something that you would like to implement. Thank you, and see you in the next video.